In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get TradeStation API Key. If you're building an integration or connecting a third-party app, TradeStation issues what's called a Web API Key. Instead of a self-serve developer portal, you request it directly from their client experience team. And the process is straightforward when you know exactly what to say. First, compose a clear, professional email to TradeStation's client experience team requesting a Web API Key. Keep it simple and direct so it can be routed quickly. A concise subject like Request for Web API Key works well. In the body, briefly introduce yourself and state that you're a TradeStation client asking for a Web API Key. It helps to send the request from the same email address that's on your brokerage profile so they can match your identity without extra back and forth. Next, include the essential details they'll need to process your request. Provide your TradeStation account number so they can verify and tie the key to the correct account. Clearly state that you want a Web API key, not any other credential. If you're integrating with software, add a short description of the application. Mention the app name, whether it's your own project or a third-party platform, and the general purpose, like pulling market data, placing orders programmatically, or syncing positions. You don't need to share proprietary code. Just enough context to help them understand the use case and assign the right access. Keep the message brief, accurate, and easy to scan. After you send the email, the client experience team will review your request and reply with your client ID or API key, along with setup instructions. Read their message carefully, because it typically includes important steps for authentication and environment configuration. Store your credentials securely, treat them like a password, and never post them publicly or embed them directly in shared code repositories. Many integrations let you paste the key into a settings screen or use environment variables. Follow TradeStation's guide and your application's documentation side by side to complete the connection. Response times can vary by workload, but it's common to receive guidance within a few business days. If you don't see a reply, check your spam or promotions folder. That's it. Send a concise email, include your account number, clearly ask for a Web API key, add any relevant application details, and then use the credentials and instructions they provide. With the right information up front, you'll get your key quickly and be ready to build.